Welcome to Top Review Lab. The best sewing thread is probably one of the most underappreciated components in your sewing kit, but choosing the right one can make a world of difference. From the type of fabric you're working with to the desired stitch quality, the thread you select impacts everything. Today, we're diving deep into the world of sewing threads, exploring the different materials, weights, and uses to help you find the perfect match for your next project. Number 5. LEONIS Japan 30 Color Sewing Thread Set. This thread set offers a generous supply for all your sewing needs. It ensures you have enough thread for various projects, providing both durability and quantity. Each spool contains 45 meters of thread, perfect for small hand sewing projects. The compact design doesn't take up much space, but it still provides plenty of thread for your needs. With 30 different colors, matching your thread to your fabric is simple. The clear case keeps the colors organized, so you can easily find the perfect match for any project. The Japan quality needle threader makes threading needles incredibly easy. Its sharp tip allows for precise aiming, making it stand out from other threaders. It's time to upgrade your thread kit to maintain cleanliness and enhance your enjoyment of art and craft projects. This set provides everything you need to keep your projects neat and enjoyable. What we like. This set's compact spools are perfect for small projects, allowing you to have a variety of colors without taking up much space. It also comes with a convenient threader. If you're looking for a thread set that's easy to store and ideal for quick fixes or small crafts, this is a great choice. What people say. It does not break easily like some other brands. The colors are beautiful and look like color represented in description. Great colors. Good, sturdy thread. I like that it has so many different colors. Number 4. BlesSew Sewing Thread, 24 Spools. This versatile thread is perfect for all your sewing needs. It delivers flawless performance whether you're using a machine or hand stitching. With 24 spools, each containing 1,000 yards, you'll have plenty of thread for all your projects. This set is ideal for extensive sewing and reduces costs. The set includes a 22-color palette, plus black and white. The dyes are azo-free, and the thread is easy to find. You can match any sewing need with confidence. Share this thread with loved ones and enjoy quality time together. The packaging is beautifully designed, making it a fantastic gift and a neat storage solution. This thread is suitable for light and medium fabrics. If you encounter any problems, we're just a message away and we'll strive for your satisfaction. What we like. This set offers a generous amount of thread, perfect for extensive sewing projects. The wide range of colors ensures you'll find the perfect match for any fabric. If you are a beginner or someone who sews frequently, this set provides excellent value and versatility. What people say. These threads in different colors are super convenient for me since I make scrunchies from various fabrics. Having multiple thread colors helps me match perfectly and gives my handmade scrunchies a professional, clean finish. Great quality and easy to work with. I am making bags and cotton thread had a tendency to break. This works perfect. Great product. Strong, super color and user-friendly. Number 3. ILAUKE 50 PCS Sewing Thread Kit. This kit includes 25 spools of vibrant sewing thread and 25 pre-wound bobbins. Each thread spool has 400 yards, providing a total of 10,000 yards. The variety of colors meets the needs of various sewing projects. Made of sturdy and durable polyester, this thread resists fraying, breaking, and tangling. It is designed to work well for a wide range of sewing projects, ensuring a smooth and efficient experience. The kit includes standard size A, class 15 bobbins, each with approximately 54 yards of thread. They are compatible with most sewing machines, such as Brother, Singer, and Janome. However, it is not suitable for Futura embroidery machines. This thread is suitable for both automatic winding machines and most sewing machines. It's perfect for daily patching, hand sewing, and DIY projects. You can use it to add details to clothes and decorate various fabrics. The sewing string kit comes with a clear bobbin box, making it a perfect gift. It is a great surprise for beginner and professional friends and family. This essential kit can add embroidery details to various fabrics. What we like. This kit includes both thread and pre-wound bobbins, saving you time and effort. The durable polyester thread ensures your stitches hold up well. If you're looking for a convenient and efficient sewing solution, especially for those who are new to sewing, this set is a great choice. What people say. It comes with a wide variety of beautiful, vibrant colors, perfect for any project or creative need. The quality of these is excellent, strong, smooth, and reliable. Los colores son vibrantes y variados, perfectos para cualquier proyecto de costura. La resistencia del hilo es notable, no se deshilacha ni se rompe fácilmente. Number 2. MOYYON 45 Spools Sewing Thread Kit. This sewing thread is made of high-quality, durable polyester. It won't fray or break easily, and the plastic reel is designed to resist deformation. This high-quality thread will help you sew efficiently. It fits many sewing machine brands and is suitable for a variety of sewing projects. This thread can fulfill most of your home sewing needs. You'll receive 45 spools of thread in rainbow colors, including white and black, with each spool containing about 100 yards. It's ideal for adding details to your sewing projects. This sewing thread set makes a great gift for friends and family. It makes hand sewing easier to complete your sewing projects. Our team provides 100% satisfactory service, including replacements and returns within 30 days. We are confident that you will love it, but if you're not satisfied, we'll help you within 24 hours. What we like. With 45 different colors, this set provides a wide range of options for your creative projects. The durable polyester thread ensures your stitches hold up well. If you're looking for a versatile and colorful thread set, or a thoughtful gift for a sewing enthusiast, this is a great option. What people say. Thread is good quality and there are a lot of colors. I love the colors. Good for money. Works good at long way kept. So well done. Nice assortment. Good thread. Number 1. Blibly Sewing Thread Kit, 72 PCS, 36 colors. This sewing thread kit is made of high-quality polyester. The thread is strong and durable, so it won't break or fray easily. The plastic reels are also designed to resist deformation. The kit includes 36 mixed colors, such as white, black, and red. This variety allows you to match the thread to many different projects. It comes with a bobbin set. This sewing kit is suitable for both hand sewing and machine sewing, compatible with brands like Brother and Janome. However, it's not suitable for Singer Futura embroidery machines. It's perfect for daily sewing, beginners, and DIY projects. Inside the kit, you'll find 36 different colors of thread spools and pre-wound bobbins. It also includes scissors, needles, threaders, and a ruler. Everything you need is in one convenient package. This sewing kit makes a great gift for friends and family. The threads and accessories are perfect for any sewing project. If you have any issues after receiving it, please contact us via email. What we like. This kit comes with a variety of colors and includes essential accessories like needles, threaders, scissors, and a ruler. It's suitable for both hand and machine sewing. If you are a beginner or need a comprehensive sewing kit, this set provides everything you need to get started. What people say. Beautiful colors, strong threads, love the needle threader. The kit came with everything I needed including matching bobbins. A good variety of colors to get into sewing. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.